That's your shirt or your pants?
I wasn't trying, God almost killed me.
You okay?
Oh, that was water. You didn't know my bands, so that motherfucker got my bands too. I don't think I did.
That's fucking awesome.
She said she didn't know she could do that shit. She just took a shit in her car.
Bullshit, they're fired. That's why they never knew about this. Oh, man, I'm gonna get caught with the police here.
Where are you coming from?
You didn't hear about this shit in Santa Ana, and I lived off of, oh my god, they tricked the fuck out of me. I mean, for years in Vegas, Miami, they fucked me over. All my boyfriends, all my best friends, fucked me over.
Yeah, but where are you living at?
I was living in Newport.
Yeah? Where are you coming from right now?
Oh boy, I ran like 20 miles right now.
Why?
That's how was this? It was crazy.
What happened to your
Are you
clothes?
a customer here?
Hey, listen.
You have your vehicle here in service?
No, she
Or
just
are you
came from the
purchasing a
corner.
car?
I could purchase a car, girl. I could purchase a couple.
Because we
Do
can't-
you have any extra pants, like a work pants, anything?
I don't personally have anything. I mean, you might want to
Oh,
throw on your
no,
sweatshirt.
that's cool. Fuck it. I will, because you know what? I just did a bunch of shit that was crazy. If they take me in now, I'll be like, it was worth it, motherfuckers. At least I tried. Didn't I? Ugh. Okay, I'll see you guys later.
All right.
Do you need a ride somewhere, honey?
Oh. I'll just let me jump in the car. Let me tell him.
Yeah.